Alright, so it took me about an hour, but here we go. I made a bed for the dragon, the bearded dragon I'm going to be buying. And pretty much it's just styrofoam wrapped around with some couch material that I had laying around. And this is the back of the couch, so the back of the couch always has that same material right there. Took this off of a couch, wrapped the styrofoam with hot glue. There's a hot glue gun right there. And made him a little bed. Let me show you pretty much what it looks like. So I also went ahead and made him a pillow also. And there's a cute little pillow that I made. Pretty much just rolled up the fabric and hot glued it together. But yeah, there it is.